Welcome to our channel where we explore the wonders of natural remedies and superfoods. Today, we're diving into a nutritious and versatile drink and uncovering the top 5 health benefits that this beverage has to offer. Buttermilk, a cultured dairy beverage with a tangy flavor and creamy texture, has been enjoyed for centuries around the world. You may remember it being used in your grandma's marinades and soda breads. And of course, your favorite pancakes are just not the same without a splash of buttermilk. Buttermilk is traditionally made by fermenting milk with lactic acid bacteria, which gives it its characteristic taste and enhances its nutritional profile. Beyond its culinary versatility, buttermilk offers a range of health benefits thanks to its nutrient content, probiotic properties, and potential impact on digestive health. So, if you're curious to learn more about the amazing benefits of buttermilk and how it can enhance your daily life, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Number 5. Weight Management Aid. Buttermilk can be a valuable ally if you're watching your weight. With its lower fat content compared to whole milk and moderate calorie count, buttermilk provides protein for satiety and muscle maintenance without adding excessive calories. It's a satisfying and nutritious choice for those looking to manage their weight effectively. Number 4. Skin Radiance. Surprisingly, buttermilk isn't just for drinking, it's also a natural skincare remedy. Its lactic acid content gently exfoliates the skin, promoting a smoother complexion and reducing blemishes. Using buttermilk topically can leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 3 buttermilk health benefits that you won't want to miss. Your Karma, Your Health. Before moving on, get to know our channel. Your Karma, Your Health is intended for sharing with y'all the simplest yet effective ways you can use to take control of your health and your life. Ancient medicine practices which are thousands of years old have imparted us great knowledge free of any propaganda engines. If you do good to your body will do good to you. Next time before you put something inside your body, ask yourself, what does your gut tell you? This channel is neither an anti-vaxxer propaganda campaign nor is it providing healthcare advice for patients, since it bears no liability for your reliance on the information contained here. But plain and simple, it says you need to understand what you ingest. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Alright, now let's get back to our video. Number 3. Gut Health. Buttermilk is a probiotic powerhouse. Its fermentation process introduces beneficial bacteria such as Lactobacillus acidophilus and Lactobacillus casei. These probiotics are crucial for gut health, helping maintain a balanced intestinal flora, improve digestion, and strengthen the immune system. Adding buttermilk to your diet can support your digestive health and boost your immune system. Number 2. Nutrient-rich goodness. Buttermilk is packed with essential nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, potassium, vitamin B12, and riboflavin, vitamin B2. These nutrients are vital for maintaining strong bones, supporting energy metabolism, and promoting overall health. Just a glass of buttermilk provides a significant boost of these essential vitamins and minerals. And now, are you ready for the number 1 buttermilk health benefit that will truly impress you? Number 1. Digestive harmony. Buttermilk is known for alleviating digestive pains and discomforts due to acidity, heartburn, and indigestion. Its cooling and soothing effect on the stomach lining provides relief by neutralizing excess acid in the stomach and promoting a more balanced pH environment. Some people with lactose intolerance may find buttermilk more tolerable than standard milk. The fermentation process involved in making buttermilk helps break down lactose, the sugar found in milk. This makes buttermilk easier to digest for individuals who are lactose intolerant or sensitive to lactose, potentially reducing digestive discomfort for some after consuming dairy products. There you have it. If you stayed with us all the way, we have uncovered the top 5 incredible health benefits of buttermilk, showcasing its versatility and effectiveness as a nutritious beverage. Incorporating buttermilk into your diet, especially as a refreshing drink or as an ingredient in smoothies and recipes, can provide these health benefits. It's a natural and gentle way to support digestive comfort and promote overall gastrointestinal well-being. As you explore the world of natural remedies and superfoods, we encourage you to delve deeper into the benefits of buttermilk and how it can enhance your health. Remember, nature has provided us with an abundance of healing ingredients, and buttermilk is undoubtedly an underappreciated star. So, embrace the power of buttermilk and let its health-boosting properties transform your life. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.